Accidentally installed a web app like Spotify and can't figure out how to get rid of it? Hit that subscribe button and let's clean up your system. Go ahead and open the specific web app you want to delete from your computer. Click the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of the window. Look down the drop-down list and click directly on the Uninstall option. Check the box to delete Chrome data, then click the Remove button. Click the Start menu on your desktop and open up your Settings panel. Navigate over to the left-hand menu sidebar and click on Apps. Click on the Installed Apps tile at the top of the list. Go to the search bar and type in the name of the app. Find your web app in the results and click the 3 dots. Click Uninstall and then click it once more to confirm your action. And just like that, those stubborn web apps are completely gone from your Windows system. Please smash that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you run into any issues, and I'll see you next time.